Welcome. In front of me is an Amazon Fire HD 10, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. To get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications, and from here we're gonna extend it by swiping down once more, which will give us the option for low power mode, as it's called on here. So simply tap on it once you see it, and there we go. That's it. That's all it takes to enable your power saving mode. As you can see, the brightness did go a little bit down to preserve a little bit of the battery. Now I am unaware of how extensive this power saving mode is. It is running on a, what is it called, Fire OS, so I am not exactly aware of what Fire OS does to preserve battery apart from what was seen, which is the brightness difference. So if you see experience some kind of wonkiness, that's probably going to be caused by the power saving mode. But anyway, with that being said, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can disable it by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it, and everything should go back to functioning normally. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.